Hey everyone, Scott Sanderson here, founder of Shoptoit. And after so many requests, I'm happy to announce the launch of Shoptoit's conversion tracker. You can now see the results from a Google Ads campaign and share them with your client. This is a module, so it's an add-on to a customer. Once you activate for $10 a month USD, you can run as many conversion actions and create as many conversion actions as you want on any of the multiple campaigns you may be running for that client. So it's a monthly module for existing Google Ads subscriptions. You don't do anything in Google. It all happens in Shoptoit. So conversion actions add-ons becomes a really powerful monthly module to enhance your existing ads management plan and unlock full access to conversion tracking and optimization tools. With this add-on, you can create, manage, measure conversion actions directly within your account. You will have a much deeper visibility into what drives real results. So what are the key features? Well, you can create conversion actions instantly, track form submissions, phone calls, purchases, and more, all from your dashboard. It's a seamless integration with Google. You simply create them in Shoptoit, and Shoptoit will create the snippet of code to be put on the website for tracking. And then we'll automatically report on it. So you can have custom conversion goals. It's a fully automated tag setup. The reporting is easy and enhanced, so you can gain really great insights and share it with your customers. Here's what we're delivering. So this is a very much sought after feature, and it eliminates the time it would take for you to do this inside of Google. You couldn't run conversion metrics on small budget accounts because it would take you hours to set up. And that's not the whole point. The point is, how do we make it fast, easy, and affordable for our clients? This module does exactly that. It eliminates the guesswork with clear, actionable performance data. You can see what's happening to optimize your high converting campaigns. You can improve campaign ROI through better attribution and tracking. You can streamline conversion setup and management. There's no extra tools required, and you can let your customers see the impact of your efforts right away. When a customer is looking at their account, they will be able to see the campaign, the name, the type, and the conversions over the last time period that's been selected. Really simple, but a real confirmation that your efforts are driving real results for them. So how do we do it? At the customer level, you can go to the conversion tracker dropdown in the left rail and click on subscription. From there, you simply add the monthly fee to your account and it will renew automatically. Once activated, you can just add a new conversion. Click the big green button and you can select, is this a phone call? Is it a web page? Is it a form fill? Is it a thank you page on a checkout for an e-commerce customer? What is it that you want the conversion action to be in terms of type? And Shoptoit will automatically create the Google site tag and the event tag snippets, which you'll have to paste into the web pages or button actions, depending on what you're doing. And don't worry, we'll do lots of onboarding and training around this. It looks confusing, but it's not. You just copy it and paste it directly into your CMS in the appropriate spot. CMS being WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, Weebly, whatever it is that you're doing to manage your website. At any time, the code will be displayed prominently in the conversion details, and this is where you can copy and paste it into your CMS. And once done, you're going to start getting real results. It's going to show you what's converting, what's happening with the traffic over the time period, defaulting for a week. So it's really simple, really slick. I think it will help an awful lot with making sure that customer understands the true value of what service you're providing to them, and make sure that they continue and maybe even expand their ad spend and investments with you over time. That's it. You made it all the way through the conversion tracker. Thanks again. Much appreciated. I hope to see you in some of our office hour sections where we talk about strategies for selling services to small businesses. Have a great day.